Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change your Instagram email address. So let's begin. You want to open Instagram. Now let's go to your profile at the bottom. Now in the top right you want to tap this menu icon, and from here you want to tap Accounts Center. Let's tap on Profiles and Personal Details, and from here you want to tap on Contact Information. And now at the very bottom you can see this blue button that says Add New Contact. Let's tap it, and you want to select which you want to add. Let's tap on Email Address. Now in this field you want to enter email address, new email address that you wish to use with this Instagram account. And do not forget to put tick next to account that you want to link this email to. And now let's tap Next button. Now you want to check your email inbox for 6-digit confirmation code from Instagram, and you want to enter this code right here in this field. Now after this you want to press Next button. And let's close this. And you don't have to remove any old emails from your account. As you can see under Personal Details, it is already changed. So that is basically how you change your email address on Instagram. And if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.